Hello, welcome back to this class. This is actually the part 2 of this class that we are talking about. If you have not watched the part 1, do go back and watch it so you can come and continue this one, because that is talking about domestic animals, and here we are going to be talking about wild animals and their names. All right, if you are getting value from this video, this training, do subscribe, like, share it, comment, and you can also ask questions for anyone that you do not understand. Lion Oduma, tiger Atalakpa, leopard Ekpe, cheetah Obidon, elephant Eni, snake Enye, vulture Ugu, crocodile Agbaka, bush baby Aquara, gorilla Osa, alligator Omiameze, hippopotamus Eniame, bush pig Esioha.